goodness. Get ready for this one, guys. This is the indirect question. Now, let's talk about the indirect question. All right. We just talked about inversion, and inversion is when the helping verb comes before the subject, such as this. Do you speak Croatian? Okay, so this is normal. Now, let's make it not so normal. Let's make it indirect. Indirect is what you can consider nia normal, okay? Nia. Okay, so this is not your normal question. We have here in the normal question the helping verb before the subject, and then we have the main verb speak, which is the infinitive in this case. Now, when we make it indirect, okay, we will eliminate the inversion, okay? It is more or less like a positive or affirmative form. You speak Croatian, okay? Now, there are many types of indirect questions, and they even will, reported speech types of questions are indirect and indirect statements. The big picture here is an indirect question is when the question is preceded by some kind of sentence or phrase. So we have a phrase in front. Now, the most common phrases would be, could you tell me? Could you tell me? Do you know? I don't know. These sort of things that usually we can use these if we're, let's say, for example, in a foreign country and we want to ask a stranger for directions. You would then ask, excuse me, sir, madam, or just excuse me, could you tell me blah, 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 blah. Then you have your indirect. Now, there's two ways, okay? First, if it's yes or no, okay, like this question, we add if, okay? That's the first rule. Could you tell me if you speak Croatian? Okay, this if is very important. The other alternative we can use is whether. We can also use whether, not like vreme, okay? Whether. Whether, okay? So could you tell me whether you speak Croatian? So that if is for yes or no questions. Okay, now, if we do not have a yes or no question and we have a WH question, we do not use if. We just keep the question word there. For example, let's think of something good. What did you eat? Last night. Don't tell me it was cevapi. All right. We've had enough cevapi. So let's look at this. Now, first of all, what tense is this? Yes, you're exactly right. It's past simple. We see the helping verb there. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to eliminate this helping verb did. Now, once we eliminate this verb, it's out of the picture. We have a problem because now the infinitive eat is not past tense. We have to make it past tense. We have to change it to ate. Eat changes to ate. We do not change tense when we change direct to indirect. We have to keep the same time. So this is the new verb. So simply put, do you know what you ate last night. Could you tell me what you ate last night? I don't know what I ate last night. Do you know what I ate last night? Okay, so that's an indirect question. We must practice a lot with these types of questions. Now,